Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of feedback on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve feedback on Pinterest, we click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, defaults apps, app settings. On above you can search about Pinterest app and you can click. Here you can go to first step and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Pinterest app. You click on here on Pinterest. If you will find updates, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.